Yes.
Oh.
Hi, this is Annalise.
Is it recording now?
Her name is Sandy.
Oh.
She sounds like she's giving birth, but that's beside the point.
Oh.
We created her from sand. Look, she has, and she has flip-flops because she's a little girl.
She's a big mountain girl.
Do I look anything like a person?
No, you look like a mountain with a face.
I'm Mount Rushmore.
No, that's prettier.
Mount Sandy Moore.
I have a...
There is a...
Look at my hips.
Now that is a true lady. Look at those hips. Look at them.
Do I still have a penis?
No,
we had to censor you.
People over there, and Dad said no.
Oh, my thumb. I'm going to remove your eyeball. See, this is Sandy without a face.
Ow, there's a really large thing on my crotch.
The reproductive system of Sandy is very strange.
Oh.
You gotta make sure it's a woman.
Stop recording, you just close it.
Okay.
You ready to get up?
I'm recording you getting up.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Don't get up yet. Don't get up yet.
You have to go to go to my toes when you record.
Get up.
Sandy is unborn. Sandy is being born.
It's a woman.
It's a beautiful baby girl. I don't trust that.
Ah, she's right from the side.
Look at this creature of the night.